got a stamp?
Go.
Inside, go inside.
How about the Taya?
I'll tell you, I got one too right there.
I want the balloon.
Wow. Wow, Kakay. You're in a dinosaur, Kakay.
Go. Bye bye.
A small dinosaur. Wow. Go hug the dinosaur. You can't.
Just hug. Okay, come on. Hug it.
Wow, what's that? Yeah. Over here. Look over here. Wow. Altaya, dito ka na din. Dun sa side. Bilis.
Okay, forward please.
You're gonna see more dinosaurs. Oo, yun isa dinosaur. Nakita mo pa. Yay! Ooh! Ay, magkakross na Stegosaurus. Yeah.
Don't touch it.
It's moving, Kakay.
Hello.
Punta ka rin doon. Oh, look, this one, Kakay. Oh. Kakay, this one, look. This one, look. Look at this one. Oh, no. Namatay.
Namatay siya.
Someone attacked the dinosaur, Kakay.
Umarap kayo dito.
Wow.
Altaya.
A what? A Stegosaurus. Wow. Ala. Uy. Oh.
Hey guys, what happened?
Oh.
Hey guys.
Oh.
Okay, ready? Look here, smile.
Oh, look here, Kakay, look here.
Look here, smile.
Kakay, over here. Yay.
Thumbs up.
Kakay, thumbs up.
Dinosaur pose, roar. Roar.
Dinosaur pose.
Roar. Thank you po.
Feed the dinosaur, Kakay. Wow. You see it, Mami Jenny? Ay, no, Kakay, no. A baby dinosaur. Ooh, there's a baby dinosaur. Yeah, the tail. The dinosaur is protecting the baby.
Why?
That's her baby. Hi, dinosaurs. Come on. Hi, dinosaurs. picture daw, picture. Take picture na. A what? Triceratops.
Triceratops. The pterodactyl's the one that's flying, guys.
Ikaw kakaigo. It's okay.
Okay, no more. Daddy was just joking. It's okay. Get away. No, Mama. No, get out of the way.
Say hi. Hi to the vlog. Yoko. Gago. Mabu girl. Hi. Hi. Ay, teka lang. Oh, wow. What are you looking for?
Fossil.
Fossils. Oh, wow. Fossils. Dancing dinosaur, Kai. Dancing dinosaur, go. Go, Kai. Dancing dinosaur, go. Dancing dinosaur. Not that one, not that one. Not this one, Kai, not this one. It's over there. I know, we can see again later. The show is already starting. Come on.
Maraming pang ano eh. Wala lang lang sa loob.
Thank you, te. Kaka, look, they're dancing. Look at the tails.
Okay, you don't like it.
Yay! Clap you. Oh, what is this? Petra. Palabas na pala yan. Ito. Turkey. Pwede, paalabas yan eh. Ayun.
Wait.
Wonders of the world. Ay, ito oh, Egypt.
Tinabuan na ng halaman sa loob.
Kakay, this way. Where's your hat? Ay, hindi, ayun na, picture ka dun. Ang galing ng ano details.
Machu Picchu.
In
And
Peru.
Peru.
Peru. What's that, Kai? What is it? It's an ant.
No, it's a spider, Kai. Look.
is this?
Kay Kai?
Anong pangalan nitong place? Insectlandia.
Beetle. Okay, come on. Oh, look at that fly over there, Kai Kai. The big fly.
Insect. Uy! Lalangaw ka. Take a picture with the ladybug.
Take a picture with the ladybug, Kai.
Ano? Dragonfly. A big bee. Whoa, Kakay. Ooh.
Bumblebee.
How about this one, Cookie?
How about this one, Kai Kai? Look.
Dragonfly.
Dragonfly.
Any business?
Oh, no, don't step on it. What is it?
Oh, boy.
A praying mantis. Ooh, a big snail. Look, Kakay, a big snail. Ooh, big snail. Ooh. What's that? Bugs. Bugs.
Look, baby sister's a butterfly. Butterfly, Mabby Girly. Ah, a butterfly. Mabby Girly. Good caterpillar. Good job, Kai Kai. Yeah.
Oh no, it's moving! Get down!
Okay, come on.
Oh no, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving!
No,
It's gonna be a butterfly now. It's gonna turn into a butterfly. Yeah, caterpillars are butterflies when they grow up.
No.
Ah.
Oh,
Oh, you have baby sister.
you're not supposed to ride that one.
Come on.
Oh, malaglag
Come on,
siya.
look, there's ants right there.
Oh,
Hurry
no,
up.
get down. Oh, this one pa, oh. Oh, there. Ano, bahay ng ant.
Bata.
Oh, wow.
Oh no, kanyan yan ulo niya.
Kay, more money. Ah.
29 nandun eh.
Go give it to him, Kakay.
Palit ng ano.
Kakay, give it back. Give it to Auntie Nani. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tsaka isang 1,000 ha.
Two hands. Share with Althea, please.
No. Yeah, do it on the table.
On the table. Let's put it on the table first. Tawagin mo si Althea para kain sila. Mouth,
ears.
Wow.
Rick is the last one to put his items on the offering stone and ends up causing the popcorn to go up with his pizza on machine. Oh, I'm so sleepy! Oh, there's nothing to here. Hello, everyone. I'm Hamlet. I'm very welcome, Peter. I report to my dreams of being a beautiful butterfly. Welcome to Boys Life Show, and this is a dream come true. This is a dance show. I talk and flick, but we're all dead. Oh, the animals are here. Where can I hide? Oh, friends, where are you? We have to flee. Oh. You're so super, my friend. But where is Flint? Where is Atta? Here, please welcome Atta and Flint. Hi. Hi, guys. Hello, everyone. How are you?
I hope you're doing fine. We're happy to see you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Flick, a nerdy vagabond who is desperate to make a difference to my colony's way of life. And I'm in love with Princess Atta. Hello, hi.
Hi, I'm Atta, the princess of the royal family and heir to the throne. And I also have a romantic feeling with Flint.
Really? You have a romantic feeling with me?
Yes.
I love you, Atta. So what's the matter? Once again, the Bugs Life Circus Show!
Activate dance mode countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
With those chronic beats. 1, 2, 3. Paparazzi, the paparazzi, smack 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 the paparazzi, the paparazzi, smack the paparazzi, the paparazzi, smack the paparazzi, smack the paparazzi, smack the paparazzi, smack the paparazzi.
Kakay.
Go, Kakay. Say hi.
Go look right here.
Look right here, Kakay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you. Careful, Kakay. You got it, Kakay. You got it, Kakay. Run! Go! You're a Spider-Man. Go! Climb it. You're a Spider-Man.
I'm on a spider web.
Yeah, you're in a big spider web.
I'm on a big spider web.
Go climb it. You're a Spider-Man.
I'm on a big web.
You need help?
Okay, let's.
Need help? Your water bottle.
Bring your water bottle with you. So we know
Wow.
you like it.